I'm on the WellX channel. Today I'm going to show you a free VPN setup for iPhone without apps. Here, for this we will have to go to Settings. Next we will need to go to General. Here we will have to find a VPN. Here, click VPN respectively. Then click on Add VPN Settings. Select the L2TP type and accordingly, then we will need to go to VPN Gate. Go to any browser, write VPN Gate here. Go to the website. That's it. And here we have VPNs. Here, copy respectively this address, which is at the bottom. That's it. And go back to the settings. Insert the server here. Description, call it what you want here. I'll write a VPN test. Write a VPN to the account. Write VPN in the password and write VPN in secret. So click on the check marks. So click on VPN test and turn on our VPN and wait. So, and accordingly it connected. That's all. Like, subscribe to the channel. WellX was with you. Goodbye, everyone.